what up? So, video cube. Hold on.
Actually, we don't have soda, only meat.
Okay, then make a cup of meat juice.
Specifically, what variety of the meat is it that you serve?
It's pretty loud, see?
Me says that's a trade secret.
It's
I'm
right
glad you
here.
found a place to make some extra money, Beast Boy, but
And
don't you think this place seems a little weird?
They have fries made out of meat. This whole place is weird, and I hate it. I'm not leaving until I earn that moped.
this one is
Trouble! The UFO is
that.
Titan,
I
go!
like this because it's a
Beast Boy, you coming?
joystick. And then like this one you just spin.
We'll handle it!
Stop. It's pretty noisy, but I like it. And peace. Hope you enjoy favorite cubes. Oh yeah, it's not over yet. We're gonna be doing more videos.